All right, everyone. So now we're going to be working on the main three ways that you can use to solve a systems of equations. And those are substitution, elimination, and comparison. So in this video, we're going to be covering all three of them. So I will make part 1 for substitution, part 2 for elimination, and part 3 for comparison. So if you'd like to skip substitution and go for elimination or comparison, you can find the link right below in the description of this video. Well, let's start with substitution. That being said, all these three methods, right, whichever you want to use, all of them will work for any systems of equations with two variables, right? So for example, let's say if you got 2x plus y is equal to 6, 4x plus 5y is equal to 10, right? Then you can use substitution, you can use elimination, or you can use comparison. That's your choice. But now in this video, we're going to be working on substitution specifically. So substitution is a scenario where you decide to substitute, as the name suggests, for your variable, right? For example, I will say I am feeling like substituting y, right, in my other equation. So for the first one, I'll take the first equation. I'll say y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Why? Because I took the 2x on the other side, so 6 minus 2x is equal to y. So now in the second one, everywhere I see y, I'm allowed to replace it with 6 minus 2x because that's what y is equal to. So I'll write my second equation, 4x plus 5. Now instead of y, I'll write 6 minus 2x is equal to 10. So now I've got one equation and one unknown, so I can solve for that. I will say 4x plus, let me distribute the 5, 30 minus 10x is equal to 10. 4x minus 10x gives me minus 6x, and plus 30 is equal to 10. Let me take 30 on the other side. Minus 6x is equal to 10 minus 30, and x gives me 20 over 6, which should be equal to 3.3. Okay, so now I got my x. I plugged my x back in to get y, right? So I'll choose whatever equation I want. Maybe I can try this one or that one. Well, let me try the first one. Looks a little easier. So I'll say 2x plus y is equal to 6. My x is 3.3, so 2 times 3.3 plus y is equal to 6. Y calculates to give me minus 0.67. Something like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another example. So in this video, we'll be covering 3 examples. The second example that I wanted to cover is, let's say we got 4x plus 5. Well, I've tried 5 once. So let's do 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Now 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. Now we are going to see how we can use substitution to solve for this systems of equations. So this time I'll try to substitute for x. So I will substitute for x. What does it mean substituting for x? It means I don't want to have x, I'm substituting for it. I'm using something else. So let me try maybe this equation. I could use any of them if I want to. Then I can say 2x is 8 minus 4y. X is equal to 8 minus 4y divided by 2. That gives me 4 minus 2y. That is x. So that means wherever I see x, I'm allowed to replace it by 4 minus 2y. So let me give it a shot maybe here. So I will say 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. 4, and then my x here is equal to 4 minus 2y, right? Because that's my conclusion from before. X was equal to 4x minus y. Minus 2y. So then for 4x, I wrote 4 minus 2y. Plus 6y is equal to 7. Let me do a quick distribution. I'll get 16 minus 8y plus 6y is equal to 7. Minus 8y and 6y gives me minus 2y, 16, 7. Let me take the 16 on the other side. Minus 2y gives me 7 minus 16, which is equal to minus 9. And y is equal to 4.5. Right? Now I got my y. I'm going to go ahead and replace it back into whatever equation in this problem that I got that includes both y and x. So I can find my x. Maybe this one, maybe this one, maybe this one. Whichever equation, or maybe any of these, right? So I'm going to try to replace it here. I'll say 4 minus 2y is equal to x. So 4 minus 2 times 4.5 is equal to x. 4 minus 9 is minus 5 is equal to x. I've got the answer for x, which is minus 5. So now we're going to go ahead with the third example. So this example is going to be 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Now x plus 4y is equal to 5. All right. I want you guys to do this on your own and post the solution in the comments, and I will correct it. I will potentially post a solution after a while as well if there's enough requests. So if you want, you can send me, write a comment and say, hey, Rosie, can you post the solutions, please? And I will do so. So, and that concludes our video for the substitution. In the next video, in part 2, I will be covering elimination.